Hi everyone here. Do you know Hydroponic A and B solution? Hydroponic Nutrients A and B is a water-soluble granular, set A, and water-soluble powder, set B, plant food that contains N, Ca, and Fe. It is a completely balanced fertilizer for hydroponics, indoor-outdoor potted plants and herbs. Is hydroponic solution safe? Are hydroponic nutrients safe? The simple answer is yes, as long as you use the appropriate nutrients and understand how to properly dispose of them. Different plants require different nutrients at each stage of growth, and the ratios are extremely important as well. So, how much hydroponic solution per plant? As a general rule of thumb, when growing hydroponically, small plants require at least 1/2 gallon per plant, medium plants 1.5 gallon, and large plants 2.5 gallons.